Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. These are general collective readings, Taurus, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see, Taurus, what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Taurus, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Taurus, the world in reverse, strength in reverse. Okay. So, Taurus newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here, okay? One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual cards, etc. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Because for me, this is going to be person A, this is going to be person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Emperor in reverse. Emperor in reverse for me is a very controlling person who likes it their way. And from what I'm seeing here, Taurus, one second, give me a second. This connection is still open. Somebody doesn't have the strength, I guess, to close it at the moment. The other person is going to fight tooth and nail because they feel this is their wish fulfillment. This could be this Emperor in reverse who will do anything. This is like my way or the highway. I'm happy, we are happy, and I have decided we are happy, kind of a thing. So let's see. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see. Well, where are our action cards? I'm going to take two action cards as well first, Taurus. Action cards for person A and action cards for person B. Okay, good to go. Bottom of my deck, I have the Tower in reverse. First it was the Emperor in reverse and now the Tower in reverse. I think this is the same Emperor who is very stubborn. I think they still want to rebuild. So let's start with our dialogue message cards here, Taurus. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Okay, I've got 4. And a few more from this deck, Taurus. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. One more. Thank you. All right, good to go. Let's start our reading, Taurus. The first card here says, I want you to trust me. Trust that I will know the right time to take things to another level. Losing hope in this connection. I let my temptations get the best of me. I got sidetracked. I keep reading our old text messages. It's hard because we can't seem to work out our differences. I tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. I miss you. I wish you. I wish you would tell me how you truly feel so I don't have to get readings on you. Now this is it. I miss you so much. I don't know why I said this before. Okay, not wearing my glasses. I miss you so much that it feels like there's a real pain in my chest. I won't show you that though. Now this is again that control freak. Even if they have feelings, they don't want to show them because, well, ego. Alright, so these were some of your messages, Taurus. If these were resonating, let's start with your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message today? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus? Activist. Some action is coming. I don't know what action is going to happen now, or maybe somebody needs to take some action now. So let's start with the energies of Person A here, Taurus. Person A, why do you have the World in reverse and the Strength in reverse? They're losing hope in this connection. They're losing hope. They're looking for clarity. They don't know what to do. There is difficulty in making movement now. They are upset, and one thing they are sure of, I think, is that they are unhappy. They are angry with Person B, maybe, or there is trouble in this connection. There is trouble in this marriage. But I don't think this person really has the strength. Why is the Strength card in reverse, Spirit? Yes, the minute they think of moving on, it stresses them. They do feel that it's time maybe to move on or rush towards something that will make them happier, but the minute they think of that, they lose their courage. Even though they're angry, they're upset, they're losing hope. Somebody here stresses out each time they get weak when it's time to actually make a move. So what happened, Spirit, in the recent past for Person A to feel this way? 7 of Swords. It seems in the recent past, they put up a show. Whoever Person A is put up a show, even though I think inside of them, they were always itching to escape this connection. There was no equal give and take. They always felt like a loser in this connection. They really didn't want to be in it, but I think this person always kept putting up a show, because this could have been a committed connection or a relationship which was there for a long time, living in heartbreak in a commitment. So Hierophant, one more, Spirit. Hierophant, but never really saying anything about it. Never really saying anything about the fact that they always felt ungrounded, or they felt disrespected, or they felt not good in this connection. They never said anything, or they didn't have the guts to speak up or move forward for something new. So how do you feel about the connection now, Person A? Person A, I think, concentrates a lot on looking at the past of how badly things went. Maybe they feel they are unable to have this fresh new path in their life, because there is some kind of an attachment, a very unhealthy attachment, I guess, to this King of Cups, who probably keeps them emotionally manipulated or stuck. King of Cups. Yes, they are always at a standstill, always trying to be patient, always being at a standstill, because they don't have the strength. Whoever Person A is loses their strength because of this attachment. So they spend a lot of time in limbo and looking at the past. No, somewhere feeling hopeless, judgment in reverse. They feel their person keeps them emotionally tied to a situation where they can never leave from. What action Person A will take, I'll open later. Let's go on to Person B's side and see in reality what's happening here. So Person B, you have the 9 of Cups, which is happiness. Why is that? 9 of Cups is clarified by the 9 of Cups, Taurus. They feel without putting in any work, they are in a very good situation, very happy situation. All their needs are met, all their 9 cups are full, and they don't even have to work for it, right? And this this they have achieved by being a dictator. It's always been their way or the highway. It's like, I am happy and that's what matters. And if you open your mouth, I'll shut you down because, then you do all the work and I don't have to do anything. It's that false emperor, the emperor who actually is powerless, but they pretend to be and show that they are. A true emperor doesn't need to do that, right? They command respect. This person, they feel they can demand it whenever they want because they deserve it. Yes, this person is actually in reality a King of Pentacles in reverse. They are very ungrounded. They actually don't have much standing. I hope, Taurus, you're not on person B's end because you're going to hate me. But somebody here is not in their highest vibration. They attach too much importance to what people will say and their money and their finance and their work and how things should look. And they fight tooth and nail to achieve their level of what they feel is the right thing. So what happened in the recent past, person B? 8 of Cups in reverse and the 4 of Swords in reverse. Why is the 8 of Cups in reverse? They were unable to let something go. Maybe person A did try and release this connection and person B did not allow it. Or 4 of Swords in reverse. Yes, they got totally depressed and they could have done something to force person A to return. Maybe by somebody fell ill or pretended to not be at their best. Basically what person B has achieved to do is have another go around in this connection. They wanted to keep this connection the way it should be, in the 10 of Pentacles, forever and ever after. How do you feel about the connection, person B? Justice. Yes, they are holding their ground. They feel it's more of a show. This person has the same card in their, they also look back at the past, knowing that things have not been at the best, but still kind of portraying an image, even though they know that their things may not be really good, but they feel it's the right thing to do. Right thing to do. What is this, Spirit? 3 of Wands? 3 of Wands. Yes, they want their Empress back. They want their Empress back, whether happy, unhappy, I don't care, because their future, they look at their future and feel it's the right thing to do. That we should be together irrespective of the fact whether we are happy, unhappy, doesn't matter. We are meant to be together and we should stay together because that's the way I've envisioned my future. Without this Empress, it doesn't work, right? So, yeah. So let's see what actions you guys will take now. Whoever this Emperor in reverse is, they definitely want to rebuild. Even though it's a crumbling tower, they want to rebuild. If this storyline is resonating, Taurus, I know it's heavy, but if you could just tap that like button, it just helps the videos to circulate and reach many more. Thank you. Person A, the action they intend to take is the Empress in reverse. Why is that an action? Wow. One more. One more, Spirit, for the Empress in reverse. One more. I think this Empress may just find their courage. They may just find their courage. This Empress is not happy in this connection, that much I can tell you. They're not happy in this connection. They're looking for an emperor who can be at par with them. They are. And yes, they may just get their courage to fight for what truly makes them happy, what gives them wish fulfillment, what gives them joy in their life. I think this Empress is looking for new love or love in their life. And they're looking for a total transformation of their life, death and rebirth. I have a feeling this Empress may start focusing on forward movement, something that gives them joy. What about person B? Is that the person you intend to move towards, Empress, or is it somebody new? And the Star, Nine of Swords. I think that they are wishing and praying, and I think they're hoping to be led in the right direction. There's a lot of stress and tension where person B is concerned. I think they're up in their head. This is more like trying to gather up their courage or finding that strength, but still going through a little bit of inner turmoil. Praying for divine intervention, I guess, to have this transformation in their life. Let's see, person B. What is the action you intend to take? Page of Cups, emotional manipulation. They're coming in to apologize. King of Pentacles. One more. Two of Cups. Justice. Oh my God. Seven of Pentacles. And the Knight of Wands. Yes, and the Queen of Cups. Yes, this person is going to try tooth and nail to maybe apologize. Tell this Empress, I'm the person that you're meant to be with. I will bring justice to your life. I do love you so much. I'm willing to invest back into this connection. They do love person A in their own way. I don't know. But they will take action. They will take action to rectify the situation. Now it's totally up to them. If right now this Empress is in reverse, whether they consider person B to be their emperor or have this complete transformation and head towards new love, I don't know. We'll have to see. Each of you will have a different outcome here, Taurus. Some of you may consider person B to be their emperor now, but some of you could start working towards a transformation in your life where you can find your true emperor. But person B, they don't want to let person A go even now. For them, in their own way, they do love person A. They don't want to let them go, but well. So that's all I have for you, Taurus. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.